There are different strategies that you can use to create a perfect contrast in your image. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use curve adjustment to create the same effect. Okay, open your editing app. I'm going to be using Snapseed as a reference. I'm going to open my Snapseed and open my curve adjustment. Inside the curve adjustment, you're going to have what looks like a square and then a diagonal line. In that diagonal line, the top of that diagonal line is where we have our white points. And then at the bottom of the diagonal line is where we have our black points. At the middle of the diagonal line is where we have our midzone. Between the midzone and the white points is where we have our highlights. And then between the midzone and then the black point is where we have our shadows. But to achieve a contrast with this, let's take this image as a reference. To achieve a contrast in this image using curves, what I simply need to do is to increase my highlights and also bring down the curve of my shadows. By so doing, I'll be able to separate the details of the brightness and the darkest part of my image, and then be able to create a better contrast and make the image